That's not your granny, so sick?
Yeah, well, don't make me out so man. I went on TV this morning.
Hi everyone, I'm Kezzianne, and with me as always is Chef Jason, and this is How To Foodie Nation, the show that teaches you all the how-tos about Trini cuisine. So today, we'll be making one of my favorites, callaloo. Let's get started.
All right, Kezzianne, let's get to this. Callaloo, your favorite?
Favorites. It's my favorite with pie, with rice, by itself. Callaloo's the greatest.
Well, I could see that, evidently. We dress like callaloo. I see you in green. I'm looking very coconutty, milky-ish.
I'm the bush and he's the milk.
There you go. Let me do this together. Pot on the stove, medium to high heat. Kezzianne, we need to get started. I need to drizzle in a little bit of vegetable oil inside there. We are going to start to saute some of the ingredients. Swirl it around just like how I taught you how to. All right, that's enough.
Sorry.
Give it,
I mean, swirl.
You got to give me a little action. Yeah, a little 360. Walk it up.
Right. Done.
Let's go. Chopped onions inside.
Got it.
And you want to saute that. Onions, as you know, are very sweet, so we want to develop that nice, complex flavor. I know a lot of our dishes actually start with onions and garlic, and that apparently is the next ingredient. So a little bit of
Garlic.
minced garlic inside there. Saute that up nicely using your spatula.
Will do.
And immediately perfume in the atmosphere. Just the aroma. People know we bubbling callaloo already.
Yep.
You're good to go. Let's add to that. We're going to add some minced pimentos in the pool.
Throw it down.
And something about minced pimentos, sometimes they might get a little spicy one inside there, but usually a lot of them are really nice and sweet, herbaceous, and they really add great complex flavors.
I have a question, Chef.
Talk to me.
Pimentos. Why some green, why some red?
The ones that are green typically are like the younger ones.
Yeah.
And the longer they stay on the tree, they turn complex colors like red or they turn a little orange color. So you leave the longer, you leave them, you get bright, illustrious colors as far as I'm concerned. The green ones are always in demand, so I mean, we're always picking green ones.
Okay.
Celery.
Yes,
our local celery, very strong and pungent and vibrant. Wakes up the callaloo and obviously adds to the color because it is green itself. How's that smelling, Kez?
So good. That garlic is coming through.
A facial right now. When you see you finish smelling, just like green and Chadon Beni and garlic.
Herb facial, is
An
that a
herb
thing?
facial, that's what it is, but it's all organic, right?
Got it.
Wonderful. We want to let it saute for about 30 seconds and develop that nice complexity as we spoke about, right?
Yeah.
Now, callaloo bush, as you would know.
Callaloo bush.
We use the stems, we use the leaves. Typically, I'll spare you this time. Make sure to clean it.
Please, thank you.
You chip off the leaf, you remove the centerpiece, so when you finish, you end up with a circle in the center.
Right.
You move the little tip here at the edge because they say that usually scratches the throat.
Right.
And then you just chip it up like this. Now this has been washed already. Very important. You know, water off a Dasheen leaf. You ever hear that saying?
No, I have not.
Water don't stay on a Dasheen leaf. It just ride off. You chip off the edge like that. So you get off that, and then you peel the edges. Peel off that long skin. It tends to be a bit fibrous, so we don't want that. I know sometimes in the hotels and so forth, they would actually just leave it on.
Just throw everything in.
Mass quantity. I went to Grenada and the chef told me, boy, we just throw everything in the pot just so and blend it up, boy, nobody's know the difference. If you're doing that at home, peel it. Let's go with the next ingredient. Ochros.
Thank you.
Or as we know as okra. Get that nice. It's a bit of a thickening agent, a little slimy inside the callaloo. It's a must. Another thing that's a must. What is this?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. You're going to get that nice color coming through inside there, and it does add great texture. And obviously some moisture and sweetness inside of it. Ready to go. I find you take that real long from there. You all know what that is? It's fine time. But she was wasting my time taking the bowl. She needs to be quicker, Quiz. Come on. You're supposed to laugh at that, man. Everybody laughing outside right now.
Your jokes are painful.
No. Don't cover that. Chadon Beni.
Yes. And now we know how to spell it.
Yes, there you go. So, nice pungency with that. You can use cilantro if it's not available or readily available to you. Good to go. Callaloo. Obviously a favorite here in Trinidad and Tobago. Where do you think callaloo got its name from? People always say we have a callaloo nation.
Yeah, and people refer to things as a callaloo pot when they're talking about a melting pot. We are callaloo people.
And we are a callaloo people. See, we're looking like callaloo right now.
That's
I
true.
think it's all the ingredients come together and it's a one pot. It just cooks down together.
One pot of greatness.
One pot of greatness. Star ingredient. Our Dasheen bush Bhagi. As
You ready for the bush?
One big bundle.
Please.
So you want to guide that inside there for me and
Yes,
just take it out
please.
gently. This has been washed as mentioned and the leaves chipped up. And we're going to put that. Now, don't be worried.
Will all of this fit?
Well, things is fit, you know. You just have to make accommodation for it at the end of the day.
I see.
You know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean, Chef.
It cooks down. Bhagi, spinach, mushrooms, onions, all of these things have
It
high
looks for me.
moisture content and it does cook down. So we just add
Yeah.
this. Don't be afraid, it cooks
Kind
down.
of just push it in.
You just, and of course the stems are inside there as you can see, okay? Now obviously we need some moisture to break that down. So fresh coconut milk, we mix it up like that. And I am going to add it inside here.
Good.
You with me, right?
I'm with
Understanding?
you.
Everybody understanding what's
We're
going
with
on?
you.
Callaloo Nation, Foodie Nation, Chef Jason and Kezzianne.
All the how-tos.
All the how-tos. Now you can't make callaloo without.
Crab. It's one of my favorite parts of Callaloo. We fight in my house for crab, you know.
Well, I mean, people put pigtails in it. With
True.
small bones. We use
True.
crab today.
Yeah.
So this is just clean, washed, a little bit of lime inside there. And we season with some green seasoning, some black pepper and salt. And we're just going to insert it inside there now. Ready
it
to
in?
this? You go. Good.
Thank
Since you're a crab queen.
I want to eat all of this crab. You're not
You won't
getting any.
You
Oh
won't
no!
get, oh my, even the crab running away
crab,
from
runaway crab.
you. All right, so what I need you to do is to gingerly just take the spatula.
Yeah.
And I'm going
What
to
are we
crank up the
doing?
heat because we want to bring this to a boil.
So what are we doing?
Just push it down gently
Push it
inside
in,
there.
push
And again, we're going to come back to this in about 5 to 6 minutes, and you would see that that dasheen bush has cooked down considerably. Cover it.
Got it.
Wonderful. Okay, guys, check it out. Let's see what's going on there. Poof! Wonderful.
Yeah,
Amazing.
that's beautiful. You guys need to see this.
It has come to a beautiful boil. As you can see, crab, everything pushing out inside there, all
Yep.
the great stems and leaves inside there. At this point, we need to bring it to a medium temperature because what's happening is that we're going to cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Allow everything to cook down, all the pumpkin and all the herbs to break down, and allow the leaves to actually cook. Then we're going to remove the crab and then start to swizzle it. Yeah, that's where the action comes in. You hear that sizzling and that bubbling?
Yep.
That's what we're talking about. And of course, we are in Trinidad and Tobago. We wouldn't be representing the Caribbean islands if we didn't put in this bad boy because what?
We like it hot.
We like it hot. Oh. Rest that inside there.
Yep. Cover again.
How beautiful that looks. Amazing.
So nice. The
We're gonna
colors are nice.
Cover this down. Just let it do its stuff. 20 to 25 minutes. Ooh, there we go. You know something
Yes.
beautiful about when crab turns that nice kind of like amber, orange, yellowish color? You know it's getting there, it's cooking beautifully, and you know a lot of impregnation of flavor from that crab into the callaloo, and that is truly genuine and Caribbean right there.
It's almost time to eat.
You know what I need you to do?
What?
Pour that swizzle stick into the pot. And let's do this. Swizzle in, swizzle out, swizzle all about.
First, you've got to take something out for me.
Oh yes, you know you don't want you don't want that to burst, otherwise you'll be burning. Right, so you want to go inside there,
Yeah, get in there.
get inside there, and you want to start to swizzle and allow that action of the iron to break down the particles, that is the pieces of pumpkin inside there, the green leaves, because really and truly you're looking for a desirous, chunky final product. Sometimes when you swizzle it a little too much or you put it in the blender, it tends to break down very easily and you get more or less like a saucy aspect. So check this out. As you can see, she's already started to swizzle it and you can see it's starting to break
Down. This is some hard work, chef.
We're talking about some hard work. Good callaloo takes a little bit of a
Elbow
laborious
grease.
detail. Ah, good one. Elbow grease. Talking about elbow grease, I have another swizzle stick right now. This one has some good mileage on it. As you can see, the edges have been battered. They take some good jamming, and that's because this has been passed on by generations. And this is what the true, old-time people used to use it.
Yeah, man.
Swizzling.
That's not your granny swizzle stick?
Yeah, well, don't make me out when I went on TV this morning. Salt butter. There's a little touch inside there. This helps to condition the callaloo. Bring a little bit of that nice savory flavors inside there. Make it, as you say, make it taste like granny. What are we talking about? I want to add some additional salt inside there also. A little bit of black pepper. And let me try this one and see what's going on.
Try your hand.
Swizzle stick. Light out. Oh, this one is definitely working better.
Yeah.
As you can see. So let's
I'm
see
jealous.
Try it.
Let me try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We getting
Looking
some
good.
traction now.
Check that out, guys. As you can see, it's starting to break down much quicker. So I think this is the desirous one. Check it out. So let's continue doing this. It might take probably about 3 to 4 minutes. This is based upon the desirous final result that you want and how chunky you need it.
And how strong you are too.
Yeah, the elbow grease. Swizzle stick. You're good, you're good. I mean, check that out. It's worked out pretty well.
I
Show
did a
everybody-
good job.
show
I did a
everybody-
good
show everybody
job,
what you did.
guys. Look.
See all the particles of the okra seeds inside there. Crab looks intact. That's the
Yeah.
beauty about using this swizzle stick. It doesn't really bother the crab that much. Of course, we need to put back in that bad boy.
Yes, we do.
A little bit of heat inside there. And it's time to bowl this out.
Yeah, I think so.
It really does match your topping.
I did this on purpose. It's my favorite.
Just for the dish. Let's do this. And there you go, Kez.
Yeah.
What you want more than that?
Nothing.
Callaloo with crab inside of it. And you realize that pepper peeking on top. Kez, what do you want to eat with this?
I'm thinking maybe some cuckoo. We made some.
Macaroni pie also.
Yeah.
Those are 2 items we made in past episodes, correct?
We did.
Check downstairs in the description box. We have links for that. So I mean,
For those recipes.
Maybe callaloo. You could team it up with that.
Right.
You know you had to taste that, right?
I must. This is my job.
She said she takes her job very seriously. You like it? Good.
Chef. Where is it? Could you make me a pie right now?
Oh my God. And this is the relationship we have.
Yeah.
I taught her how to make the pie already. I still have to make it for her.
Yes, please.
Maybe one of you guys outside there can meet up Kezzianne and 2 of you all can make the pie together.
I'll bring the callaloo.
There you go.
So thank you guys so much for joining us. And for this and many other Foodie Nation how-tos, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us what you've made with your callaloo. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.